Revolvers, a classic in firearm design, stand as a symbol of reliability and simplicity. Dating back centuries, they offer a distinct charm with their rotating cylinder and timeless appeal. Renowned for their ruggedness and ease of use, revolvers are available in various calibers, from 22 AR to 44 Magnum, catering to both self-defense and sporting needs. With a loyal following, they continue to be a favorite among shooters appreciative of their elegant mechanics and enduring reliability. Number 7. Taurus Raging Hunter 460 is a powerful and reliable revolver that has been designed for serious hunters and shooting enthusiasts. With its 5-round cylinder capacity and 8.375-inch barrel length, this revolver is perfect for taking down large game with ease. The integrated Picatinny rail allows for easy mounting of optics and accessories, while the ergonomic grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, even during extended shooting sessions. The Raging Hunter 460 is constructed with high-quality materials and features a matte black finish that is both durable and stylish. The adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight provide excellent accuracy and precision, making this revolver a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and effective hunting weapon. The Taurus Raging Hunter 460 is an exceptional firearm that is sure to impress even the most discerning of shooters. Number 6. Kimber K6s DASA is a top-of-the-line revolver designed with the discerning shooter in mind. With a sleek and slim profile, this firearm boasts a 2-inch barrel and a 6-round capacity. The double-action/single-action trigger system ensures a smooth and consistent trigger pull, while the stainless steel frame and cylinder provide durability and longevity. The K6's DASA also features white dot sights for improved accuracy and a comfortable grip for a secure hold. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a beginner, the Kimber K6's DASA is an excellent choice for personal defense, target shooting, or just enjoying a day at the range. Invest in this reliable and high-quality firearm for the ultimate shooting experience. Number 5. Ruger Custom Shop Super GP 100 is a high-performance revolver designed for competitive shooting and personal defense. This firearm features a 6-round cylinder capacity and a 5.5-inch barrel with a custom muzzle brake to reduce recoil. The frame and cylinder are made from stainless steel, making it durable and resistant to corrosion. The Hogue hardwood grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, while the adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight improve accuracy and shooting speed. This firearm also includes a polished and blued finish, which adds a touch of elegance to the rugged build. With its superior craftsmanship and attention to detail, the Ruger Custom Shop Super GP 100 is an exceptional revolver for any shooter looking for a reliable and high-performing firearm. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum is a high-performance handgun designed and crafted to the highest standards of quality and precision. With a weight of 56 ounces and a barrel length of 10.5 inches, this revolver is built for accuracy and power, making it a top choice for competitive shooting and personal defense. The Performance Center 500s and Magnum features a bright red dot front sight and an adjustable rear sight, giving you the perfect aim every time. The gun's stainless steel finish and ergonomic grip provide both durability and comfort during use. With its impressive firepower and exceptional accuracy, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum is the perfect choice for those seeking the ultimate in handgun performance. Number 3. Charter Arms Pitbull is a compact, reliable, and powerful revolver that is perfect for self-defense and concealed carry. With a unique design that allows it to chamber 40s and ammo without the need for moon clips, this revolver is a favorite among gun enthusiasts. Its 2.5-inch barrel and 5-shot capacity make it easy to carry and conceal, while its stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. The Pitbull also features a fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight for accurate aiming, as well as a comfortable rubber grip for a secure hold. Whether you're looking for a reliable backup weapon or your primary carry gun, the Charter Arms Pitbull is a top choice that won't disappoint. Number 2. Korth Carry Special is a compact and reliable revolver that is perfect for concealed carry. With its sleek design and stainless steel construction, this gun is both durable and aesthetically pleasing. The 2-inch barrel and 6-round cylinder make it easy to maneuver and quick to draw in emergency situations. The Carry Special also features an adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight, allowing for precise aiming and accuracy. The single-action/double-action trigger system provides versatility and ease of use. The Korth Carry Special is chambered in 357 Magnum, ensuring powerful stopping power when it matters most. Whether for personal defense or law enforcement use, the Korth Carry Special is a dependable choice for anyone in need of a high-quality revolver. Number 1. Chiappa Rhino 20 DASA. A groundbreaking revolver that delivers unmatched accuracy, power, and performance. Designed with a unique barrel alignment system, this revolver drastically reduces recoil and muzzle flip, allowing for faster follow-up shots and greater control. The 20DS features a 6-inch barrel length and a double-action/single-action trigger mechanism, providing versatility and ease of use. Its sleek, modern design is coupled with a durable aluminum alloy frame and comfortable rubber grips, making it an ideal choice for both recreational shooting and personal defense. With its impressive firepower and reliable functionality, the Chiappa Rhino 20DS is a must-have for any gun enthusiast or law enforcement professional.